Hi there, this is a Seisco RA-18, 18,000 watt tankless whole house water heater. Modification done to it is the meter on there. Very simple to hook up and very inexpensive. Cost me about $12–13 on eBay from China delivered. It doesn't have to be a Seisco, but any hot water heater that doesn't have the information this has, you can add to it. Just cut a hole in the panel. If it's plastic or something, you can add it. In this case, didn't have any information on it other than a blinking LED, which you can sort of see through that straw tube. Even that wasn't visible, so you could see that little hole that was cut out for it. But the meter is pretty nice. For $13, it shows you your wattage, your kilowatt hours cumulatively, which is in non-volatile memory, so it's in there permanently. Even with power outages, it keeps a running total. It's resettable with a little pinhole to the right of it. Your voltage, of course, and your current. Really easy to hook up. There's just two wires for the mains voltage, and you can run some thin wires with a fuse over the mains voltage to the meter, and then there's a little torrid coil measurement. Most water heaters of this size, or really a whole house of any size, are going to have two sets of wires going to them, the current split up. This is 80 amps total current, so there's two 8 gauges, if I recall, 40 amps each. So you just take you stick with one phase. You have two wires from the same phase going through the center of that torrid coil, and then it will cumulatively add up the total current. If you just have one set of wires going to your tankless, then it's you don't have to worry about that. You just take one of the wires and run it through the torrid coil for your current measurement. I'm going to kick this thing on and show you what it looks like with some water running through it. Okay, here we go. I just fired it up. It was called, you see, 74 amps at 240. This is just a warm-up for it to get it going. It'll back down here shortly and then find its proper amperage for the flow. There it goes, backs down a little bit. It'll probably back all the way off temporarily and then find just the right amount. There, she's back down. 7 watts, 0.09 amps. Then it comes back up again. It'll find a happy medium for the current flow going through the faucet. That takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Then it locks it in pretty good, a real stable temperature. It's still kind of searching around a little bit there. With the amount of flow we have, we'll probably end up at around, I'm going to guess, 15–20 amps maybe, as it modulates the four 4,500 watt cells in there. Although our water temperature's dropped a little bit for winter here. It's usually about 80 degrees, 85 degrees in the summer, and now it's probably down to 65 here in Florida. So, but that's it. Meter works real good. It updates twice a second. Very informative, and makes this water heater just a little bit smarter. Thanks for watching.